Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread simple. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Make sure your bananas have plenty of brown spots for the best flavor. Also, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius before you start mixing everything together. This ensures your oven is ready when your batter is. Now, let's get mixing. First, mash your 3 or 4 very ripe bananas in a large bowl until mostly smooth. In a separate bowl, cream together 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Then, beat in 2 large eggs one at a time, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, gently fold in your dry ingredients: 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a small pinch of salt. Mix just until combined. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Carefully pour the mixture into a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Place it in your preheated oven and bake for approximately 50 to 65 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, remove the pan from the oven and let your delicious banana bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set before you transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Here are a few tips to make your banana bread even more delightful. Feel free to add 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, chopped walnuts, or pecans to the batter for extra texture and flavor. To keep your bread fresh, store any leftovers tightly wrapped at room temperature for up to 3 or 4 days, or freeze slices for longer enjoyment. Serve your warm, homemade banana bread with a generous pat of butter for a truly comforting treat. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.